How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete WhatsApp messages for everyone after a long time. The first thing you want to do is turn off your Wi-Fi and enable the airplane mode. Once that is done, you want to head over to your settings. Here, tap on the search icon and you want to search for date and time. Once you get here, you want to adjust the date and time. So toggle off the option of automatic date and time. Now you want to tap on set date option. Now make sure that you set the date and time according to the message that you want to delete. So if you want to delete the message of 27th February, so go ahead and select that date. Now you also want to set the time according to your message as well. Now you want to head over to WhatsApp and then you can delete the message for everyone, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.